Hey guys, I'm Jared with Stryker Boats. We just got up to Barkley Sound. We have a new Stryker Pro 380 Pro V air floor. We're gonna set up here, we're gonna time it. We brought the boat in the bag, floor is in the boat, and we're gonna show you guys how quick and easy this is to do this evolution and get your boat set up. So being the air floor, we're simply gonna unroll the boat, put the air on it. I'm gonna stand back, watch it happen. You're gonna stand back, watch it happen with me. We'll show you guys how easy owning a Pro can be now that we have this Pro V air floor option. I'll also mention and show you when we open it up, but our new Pro model boats with the Pro V floor or with the aluminum floor are both interchangeable. The transom has all the support brackets pre-installed, and you can change to an air floor or an aluminum floor at will. So very cool features, very cool upgrade. You guys are gonna love this boat. I'm gonna unwrap it. We're gonna get a timer up and I'll show you guys start to finish just how much effort it is. It's not that much to run our new Pro Series. Thanks. It's been 3:35 since I grabbed my phone. As soon as this turns 3:36, we are gonna start. My job is gonna be very easy. I'm essentially moving the pump cord around to different compartments. So there's not a ton of setup required with an air floor boat, especially our new Pro V air floor. We're gonna be running this around. We're gonna take you guys on a few adventures this trip. So, okay, we're waiting for that. There we go. Now, what I'm doing is I'm closing all these valves on the boat so that when I pull the pump out, the valve can snap shut behind it. Or else you'll notice when you pull it off, you'll have some air loss. You just have to put a little bit more. It's not a big deal either way, but. So as soon as that pump changes, when I re-hit that on button, it automatically defaults back to the volume mode. The pump has the two modes, so it always has volume. It switches at 1 PSI to pressure, and that brings it up to the preset pressure before the pump shuts off itself. Very handy for setting up the boat, walking away while it's doing work. Now this new EVA, we've included it as a trial this year on the new Pro V air floor as well. Now you see the inside the transom here. So what we have is we're using the Pro V air floor tie down points. And then underneath those are the aluminum floor down tie points. And what we have is we did a little cutout in the back of that to facilitate the usage of both transom options. Another really cool feature is our internal drain plug for this year. So if you have some water in the back of your boat, you want to get it out, get your motor on, you give it some throttle, and you pull the interior plug while you're up on plane. Now what you're gonna find is that you're gonna be able to get rid of a lot of that water in your boat without using a bilge pump. No, I'm gonna do the floor to 10 PSI. Or we'll go, yeah. 9, we'll go 9. So it's 352. So 52 minus 36 is Ange with the math, 16 minutes. So 16 minutes of basically just standing around moving the hose to the various chambers. Now, because of the 8 separate air chambers with something like this, is you would want to strongly consider using not perhaps a little small battery that we're going to have to offer, but possibly have the 20-foot cord plugged into a big boat. That worked fine, but it was just at the limit of the pump. Now, of course, this has done another boat already today, so it should be fine for a 1-boat application, which is all most people are doing while they're out anyway. So guys, that's the Pro 380. That's a 15-minute setup from just unrolling the bag, and basically I didn't have to do very much. So guys, we're going to show you a launching video, what the Pro is capable of and why we really love it, especially in areas like this. So stay tuned for that video.